but he did score those 2 knockouts to punctuate his record. Makita throwing that right hand once more. And then pushing Makosa. Makosa's got to let his hands go. That time, threw a right hand. Makita, that was a slip. The referee, Bill Garcia, saying that was not a knockdown. Right hand connect. Holding on to Makita. Nothing there with the right hand. Makita looks like he's almost out of wind. Garcia getting a little impatient. Right straight. Right hand. Di yatang touch clubs yung dalawa. Kakainisan yung dalawa. Makita versus Makosa. Makosa unloading. And quickly being tied up here by Makita. And Eman Makosa has won by a unanimous decision.